In this video, I'm going to show you how to create QuickBooks customers directly inside Monday.com. There are 3 ways you can add customers with our QuickBooks for Monday.com app. The first is from the QuickBooks board view by clicking Create Customer and filling out the form. You can also create a customer while creating an invoice, or the method we'll cover in this video, using an automation that creates a QuickBooks customer from a row in the Draft Customers table. This is perfect if you want to automate customer creation based on actions. Let's start by setting up the automation. Click on the Integrate tab at the top right of your customer's board. In the search bar, type QuickBooks for Monday.com. Then click into our app. We're looking for the second automation. When status changes to something, create customer in QuickBooks. Click Use Template. Now let's configure the automation. Select your status column. In our case, it's called sync. Then set the status value to click to generate. Now choose the customer entity from the dropdown. You'll now be asked to map your board columns on the left to QuickBooks customer fields on the right. Set these up based on your board. Customer name should be name. Map any other fields as needed. Leave any auto-generated fields like customer link or created date alone. Those will be filled in automatically after the customer is created. Once mapping is done, click Done, then Create Automation. Now that the automation is set up, let's walk through how to add a new customer using the Draft Customers table. Start by filling in the customer name. This is a required field. For example, Robert Mills. Then move on to the optional fields like company name, email address, phone number. If you're entering a US number, start with +1 or just 1. Billing address. Make sure to format it as closely as possible to this structure. Street address followed by city, zip code, country. If you don't enter a shipping address, it will default to the billing address. Leave the following fields blank. They'll be auto-filled once the customer is created. Notes, creation date, updated date, and customer link. Now that we've finished filling out the row, it's time to trigger the customer creation. Go to the Sync Status column, select Click to Generate. This will create the customer in QuickBooks, and it'll also add the customer to your main customers table at the top. It might take up to 30 seconds for the customer to appear. Once it's done, you'll see the row appear with a QuickBooks link. Click it to view the customer record directly in QuickBooks, and feel free to confirm everything's been added correctly. Once the customer has been added to Customers table at the top, or the sync status shows a tick, you can either archive or delete the Draft Customer row. You can also create customers in bulk. Just fill out several rows in the Draft Customers table and update each one's sync status to click to generate. If a customer fails to sync, let's simulate this by duplicating the customer we just added. The status will change to Error, See Updates. Click the item and check the Updates section. You'll see a message like, Duplicate name already exists. To fix it, just update the name to something unique and re-trigger the sync. One last thing, make sure the Customers table is listed above the Draft Customers table. If you flip the order, syncing might stop working, so always keep Customers first, then Draft Customers. You can collapse the Customers board if you want to keep things tidy. And that's it. You've now set up customer creation using automations and the Draft Customers table. This setup is perfect for teams that want more control when adding customers to QuickBooks right from within Monday.com. Thanks for watching.